of China lives in a beautiful palace. In the forest of the palace, there is a nightingale.
Ah, listen. What's that?
Look, it's a nightingale. It sings beautifully.
The emperor doesn't know anything about the nightingale. One day, he reads about it in a book.
What's this? A nightingale? In my forest?
He claps his hands and calls his court.
There is a nightingale in my forest, but I don't know about it. Why is that?
We do not know anything about it.
Yes, that is true.
The emperor is very angry. He shows them the book.
It's in this book, so it must be true. Find the nightingale and bring it to me at once.
Yes, Your Majesty, at once.
The emperor's men try to find the nightingale. They see an old gardener in the palace garden.
Do you know anything about a nightingale?
Oh yes, it lives in the forest. Take us there at once.
The old gardener and the emperor's men go into the forest. It is very quiet there. Suddenly, the nightingale sings.
There it is. It is sitting in the tree.
Oh, how wonderful!
It sings beautifully.
The emperor's men are surprised. The nightingale is a little brown bird.
This cannot be the nightingale.
Yes, it is very small and plain.
But the men are happy to find the nightingale. Now they can bring it to the emperor.
Little nightingale, the emperor wants you to sing at the palace.
I sound better in the forest, but I can come with you.
The nightingale is now in the palace and it sings for the emperor. Tears come to the emperor's eyes.
Thank you, Nightingale. Your voice is fantastic, and your song is very sweet.
Oh, look! The emperor is crying.
The next day, everybody talks about the nightingale.
Do you know about the Emperor's nightingale?
Yes, it is a wonderful bird.
One day, a box arrives at the palace. It is a gift for the Emperor of China from the Emperor of Japan. The Emperor of China opens the box.
Ah, it is a nightingale. But it isn't real.
It has diamonds and sapphires on it.
It's mechanical. And look, it has a key.
The Emperor turns the key and the mechanical bird begins to sing.
Oh, how wonderful!
It sings just like the nightingale of the forest.
Now, I have 2 singing nightingales.
The Emperor is very happy. He claps his hands and all the people in the palace stop talking.
now the two nightingales must sing together for me.
What a good idea.
We can all hear a beautiful duet. But the nightingale of the forest is unhappy in the palace. It flies out of the window.
Oh no! The nightingale is flying away.
But the emperor doesn't mind.
We have the mechanical nightingale to sing for us.
Yes, and look at all those jewels.
The mechanical nightingale sits on a silk pillow next to the emperor's bed. It sings for him every day. But one day there is a strange sound, and the bird stops singing. The emperor is very sad.
Oh no! What's wrong with it? Call the doctor!
The doctor comes, but he can't do anything.
I am sorry.
Call the watchmaker!
The watchmaker comes to the emperor's bedroom. He examines the bird and shakes his head.
A spring broke. I can fix it, but the nightingale can sing only once a year.
5 years pass. The emperor is very sad and gets sick.
The emperor is very sick.
I am afraid he's going to die.
The poor emperor opens his eyes and looks at the mechanical bird next to his bed.
Sing, little bird. Please sing for me.
The mechanical nightingale is silent. But suddenly, sweet music comes into the room. It is the nightingale of the forest.
Oh, you came back to me. Thank you, Nightingale.
The nightingale of the forest sings, and the emperor gets well again.
You must always sing for me. Please don't leave me again.
I can sing for you every day, but my home is in the forest.
Your wish is my command.
So the nightingale comes to the palace every day. It sings for the emperor, and they live happily ever after.